Hey y'all, welcome back to Quisi's Ratchet Kitchen featuring my honey bun, Malia, with my honey bun number 1. The honey bun number 2 is over there with my brother. So, we are in the kitchen getting ready to cook beef tips and rice. And also, I'm going to cook green beans, the cut green beans. I'll do that later. So, I've already washed my meat off already. It's in this big old bowl. I got some seasoning here and my rice is over there. I'm getting ready to put that in the slow cooker. So, what we have here is onion powder, garlic powder. It's garlic. Some accent. Put that right there. We have some roux to put in the slow cooker, crock pot, whatever you call it, and some adobo, all-purpose seasoning. We got some slap your mama, and we have some brown gravy. Also, some cooking beef stock, some beef cooking stock, so that I can use that to smother my beef tips. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started. So, come on. Come on. So, Malia is going in to trying to adjust her. Come on.
Can't wait to eat the yummy meat, right, Mommy? Okay, that should be enough.
Girl, I know how to stop. I'm putting enough so it can get all over the other parts of the meat too. Miss Mamas. Here.
Little mini.
Going in with the onion powder. We just put some of the adobo all-purpose seasoning on there.
Mom, I really want to eat the meat. It's so yummy.
Okay. And go in with the garlic powder.
And pepper makes people sneeze.
Now come on with the accent.
Why is the accent white?
I have no clue. Never thought about it. Going in with the slap your mama.
Uh-oh, it's kind of spicy.
Not too much of that because we already put enough seasoning in there. Okay, don't sniff the meat, girl. Okay. See my little human? What? Say hey, y'all. Hey. Okay. Go now, Uncle. Okay. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil in my meat. Not too much, just a little bit.
Ooh, this is so yummy. It's gonna be so yummy.
Okay. So I need to get some gloves.
Can I get gloves?
Hold on, y'all. All right, y'all. We're back with the gloves. Now let's go in for the kill. Okay, I'm going to rub all the meat in. Rub all the seasoning in the meat. Get it all seasoned up with my lunch lady gloves on. Ain't nobody I want to talk to. Goodness. Trying to get all the meat seasoned up. I'm gonna season the meat, and then Malia is going to put the meat in the crock pot. and I both. Yeah, I think we didn't got it all. Gloves keep coming off. They're so big. Oh no!
What? Happened, Mommy?
This meat fell.
Where? Oh no. Don't worry, Mommy. We still got more left. Mommy,
What don't kill you make you stronger. As long as it don't hit the floor. Cabinet was wiped off already, so we good. All right.
Mom, do you feel it like it's squishy?
Yes, it's squishy. It's meat.
It's so funny when it's
Okay.
squishy. Do you need to wash your hands?
Yes. Okay. So now, shoots. So now, what we're about to do is, I'm going to pour my beef broth into the pot. Get all of it out. Still dripping. Okay. Let's move the seasoning out the way. Got my beef broth. Ugh. Now I'm going to go in with my roux. Put a little bit of that in here to make it a little bit thick. Not too much. Where's my gravy? My brown gravy.
Are you going to use those too?
No. Not gonna use those.
Are you going to use them for the other things?
What I need is what I'm using right here.
Okay.
It's chunked up. I think it done got hot. Hold on.
It must be running out. That's so funny.
It wouldn't come out. All right, so we're done with that. Now, let me get a spoon and stir this up.
Mommy, it looks like soup, right?
Yep,
Bless you.
thank you.
Lily, I already said bless you.
If the seasoning don't make you sneeze, you ain't put enough. No, I'm kidding. I am kidding, y'all. This is how I cook. Now, y'all can cook how y'all want to, do what y'all want to do, but me, this is what I'm gonna do.
Bless you.
Thank you. Okay, so it should be soupy enough for me. Okay, come on. Go ahead and put the meat, please don't drop it. Put the meat into the pot.
Oops.
Okay, come up a little bit more so it won't be splashing everywhere. Come on, you're gonna have to grab handfuls. Speed it up, please. Because we still got to get to the rice.
Almost done.
Okay, wait. You got something in between your fingers. Okay, come on. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just pour the rest of this in here because we gotta get going. I have to go somewhere. So you did good, thank you, baby girl. Okay, so now the meat is in the pot, y'all. It looks so good and it smells good already.
I want to eat it.
You ain't gonna eat no raw meat.
Can I take the gloves off here?
Wait, hold on. Okay, so I have it on high. I've already cut it on. It's hot, warm, whatever you want to call it. Let me see these gloves. Okay, let's rewash our hands. Okay, y'all, so we're back. We got our rice. I measured it on the bowl that I have. It has a measuring cup thingy. You know what I mean. Y'all know what I mean. So there is our 1 cup of rice. Let me get some water. We're gonna put 2 cups of water. So let's see. We got 1 cup of water here. It's our 1 cup.
And we'll put it.
And then we're gonna get another cup. And I'm gonna let Malia do the honors of pouring it in there. Hold on, I gotta remeasure that. We have another fresh bottle over here I can use.
Since no one haven't finished it.
2 cups of water, 1 cup rice. And we're gonna let the slow cooker do its job. Okay, so go ahead and pour that in there. Be careful. Y'all can't see it. Okay, so since we just use that for rice, we'll wash that out in a few. So we got the rice. Hold on, let me throw this in the trash.
Yeah, good cookers. Keep up good work, kids.
Kids don't work. Okay, so we got our rice on. Washing up my pot for my green beans, and that'll be the last fix for this meal. And then once it's done cooking all the way, I'm gonna show y'all the finishing touches. All right, y'all, so I got Malia filming for me right now. Is it recording? Okay. I got Malia filming for me right now while I'm trying to get these cans open. Y'all, I need a new can opener. Don't judge me. I'm gonna send another one. So, I'm gonna buy another one. So, I got my green beans in here. I poured those in there. Now, where's my top? Okay. I got my top. Let me get a little bit of black pepper.
Uh-oh, I better stand back.
What?
I might sneeze on that pepper. Stand back a little bit more.
Okay. Black pepper. Go with a little bit of onion powder, just a little bit. I love the way it makes the green beans taste. And just a little bit of garlic powder, just a tad. Okay. And there we go. Push the button. Okay, y'all. So we got the meat cooking. We got the rice going. And we got the green beans here. I'm not gonna put those on just yet because I do have to make a run. I have to leave. But I did put everything in the slow cookers, in the crock pots, because it's gonna take it a minute for it to cook. So, yeah. I will be back to show y'all what everything looks like once it's done. Okay. Tell my little helper, thank you. I thank you so much. You did a great job. She did an awesome, fabulous job, y'all. This is her first time cooking in the kitchen with me, so I'm really proud of her. But thank y'all for watching. I'll be back. Woo, look at this. Oh my God. Y'all.
It's good.
How do y'all like the food?
It looks
It's
great.
pretty good.
It
It's
looks
very good.
great.
Sit down, sit down,
The chicken's good.
sit down.
Beef.
It's time to dig in, y'all.